what's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone had a great happy new year's and I hope everyone is doing well. Today we're actually heading out to San Jose to go pick up a complete UAE spec front bumper for the Civic. Yeah, we got about a 2-hour drive ahead of us. Let's not waste any more time and let's get on the road. Alright, there it is boys. Finally picked up a UAE spec front bumper for the Civic. This bumper looks way better in person. It did come with Medulla front lip, the grille inserts, fog light bezels, and brackets. It did not come with the front grille here. I'll just be reusing the OEM grille off the USCM bumper. Yeah, let's get a shot of the backside for you guys. It did come with under tray here as well, which is pretty nice. I'm pretty sure you guys are as excited as I am to see how this new bumper will look on FB6 snow. So enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get this bumper removed and get this new one installed. Alright guys, the new bumper is finally on. Let's go ahead and pull the car out so we get a better look at the new front end. Alright, here it is guys. Whew, damn. Let me go ahead and get a shot with the lights on. All right, let's see. Fog work. Ooh. Let me know what you guys think. I personally love it. It's definitely a lot more aggressive with this, with the new UAE front end. Alright guys, that concluded for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It will definitely help me out. Let me know what you guys think about the UAE bumper in the comment section down below. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and remember to always stay lurking.